Hello, this is Eric. I'm the Strategic Marketing and IoT Automation Product Division Director. Thanks for watching the live video today. I'm going to give you a brief for the NexAIoT booth highlight. As you can see here, we have a green energy solution this year, AMR solution this year, and a 7-axis robot solution. Yeah. Come closer. The topic this year is to driven and sustainable green data and small manufacturing enterprise. So as you can see here, we have two solutions to demonstrate. One is the IoT 2000 cloud system on the factory floor and the machine automation. The other is the IRPA 2000, which is robot control solutions. Closer. Yeah. In the stand, we demonstrate the cabinet serverless platform for green energy and windmill applications. As you can see, this is the thermal sink outside the windmill. And the back end is the Intel Xeon platform for high power computing for applications such as IC 61508 and 61400-25. And we have AMR to demonstrate the moving load and unload goods. In here you can see the IAT Cloud SCADA system, which contains 4 layers of application. The first layer, L1, is demonstrate the PC-based control and web HMI and distributed I/O system that can construct smart manufacturing for soft PLC and soft motion controller. And in the level 2, this is the IIoT device connectivity gateway. We demonstrate 8 IIoT gateway such as Wi-Fi, PLC, field bus, CNC, robot gateways. And in the level 3, we demonstrate the OT-IT integrated database solution, including the Edge server, the SCADA server, and the AI server for manufacturing insight and analytics. On the level 4, we demonstrate the smart manufacturing management system, including facility module control system, production line management system, MES system, warehouse management system, and so on. Total 11 modules available for the smart manufacturing applications. As you can see, we demonstrate the NexDATA to collect all the OT and the IT data together as a data lake. From the sensor, from the control system, from the SCADA, from the MES system, from the database, from the ERP system, all integrated together. The scenario here demonstrates the traceability as a product is manufacturing. From the very beginning, the first station, we trace the barcode and the process and all the parameters during the process. The next is the production line by robot and the conveyor. From the load and unload by the XYZ table, load and unload by the robot arm, laser engraving by the XYZ table, then transport the product to the next station. by tripod and the Delta robot. And in the very end, you can see the SCADA robot to place the product to the stock. Next. This is the value proposition for NexAIoT for the past 8 years. As you can see in the very bottom, we demonstrate the IT 2000 system for machine automation and factory automation, the IRPA 2000 system for robot control. And in the middle, you can see the connectivity software called Defect, which collect the data from OT, then send the data to IT. Integrated by all kinds of IoT gateway and edge servers. Then we store and collect all the data by the NexDATA, the on-premise data lake. Then perform the management of manufacturing systems in the enterprise forum as a video TV wall to demonstrate all the manufacturing KPI. On the very top, you can integrate all the applications and send to the cloud services provider to implement the distributed and the digitalized manufacturing for global operations. The next, you can see the robotic control solution, IRPA 2000. In the first station, this is the industrial robot control solution. You can control the SCADA robot, the Delta robot, the articulated robot, 7-axis robot by the integrated robot control box. Here demonstrate the 6-axis by third-party vendor, and also integrate with the teach pendant. This is a comprehensive robotic control solution. In the middle, you can see the lattice robot safety solution. This is the world first Intel-based functional safety motherboard, which is follow the standard of IEC 61508, which we call CO2, and also include a functional safety teach pendant and functional safety distributed I/O. The last station, you can see we demonstrate the real-time control solution. This is the motherboard, contains the real-time Linux operation system based on Ubuntu. The control of precision and the jitter is a microsecond label. Next. We demonstrate the fail detection for surface by robotics. This is the latest robotics solution. Demonstrate the head to motion to detect the surface failure. You can only input the CAD file into the NexAIoT NexDATA software suite, and it can translate into coordinate and the routing table to control the robot to do the AOI inspection. The next. This is a last area. We demonstrate the core competency of NexAIoT, the Fanless box PC and Fanless panel PC, including the industrial grade nano PC, high performance Fanless PC, complex Fanless PC, compact size panel PC. Last but not least, the high performance and AI server. Thanks for watching today. I'm Eric. Please contact us if you have any further questions. Thank you.